Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can fix the network error appearing over on ChatGPT. So just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so first of all, the first thing you can do is to go to your network and just to remove your network from your device and try to reconnect it. Alright, so after that, just reload your page and most probably your problem will be fixed. But if you're still facing the same problem, then you can proceed with the next solution, which is go to the Google Chrome web store, and there you have to search for a VPN extension. I recommend you to use this Hola VPN, which is basically a very good and efficient VPN. And you can go and add this extension and then just turn on this VPN, connect it with any of the server, and after that again reload your page, and this time your problem will be fixed. But if not, then you can proceed with the last solution, which is wait. So yeah, you have to wait for it until the server responds, and once the server works properly, the ChatGPT will be fixed automatically. So this is the last thing you can do. So all for today's video guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.